Hi everyone, and this is my friend Shane. We're making how to make a cupcake grahams. Okay, you're gonna need the grahams and stick o chocolate balls. Okay, but you need to freeze it, and you're gonna chop it. So that, and okay, and this you need to open it. Okay, kunin yung plato. Tapos yung mga nasa freezer. Okay, and you open it. You need grahams or graham with. This is a honey grahams. If you want have a sugar, the black. And you need this. This, and you get one. You get here. This is the chocolate bar. You need here, and you need to first take out the rest of it, and you put a graham and put that stick o chopped, and this, and here. Wait for a minute. Wait, because I just used our camera, our laptop. And this is the graham, you put one, and this is the stick of chopped, and you put it some up. Okay, you need 3 chopped. Undefined pa. Ito pa? Ayan. Tapos lilinisan natin pa. Okay, and this is what will be the show. You will spread it by your hand. You sure that your hand is no, you have no germs, and spread it. It's okay to have a mess in the sides, but it's important to make an tasty. And this will be the shoe, and you get another, and you put in the top of it, and this is what will be the shoe. Like this, it's like a hamburger but a rectangle. Stick-o, you need stick-o. Umipil ka kayo. Okay. Alam mo, pagbuti na lang, madali ka nakakita. Oo, ito yung mga baka maula yung sa likod. Ang daming tulig na gano'n. Tulig yung tulig. Ikaw kasi dami mong nilagay. Basta sa akin lang. Dami mo lang. Ako nilagay. Sabihan mo na, at least masarap. And this will be the shrimp, your spaghetti. This, the second layer. And the last that my favorite is designing. And put the third one. Papainin natin yung mga puno. This is the shoulder. Darugin ko pa to. Huwag na. Para yung akin. And this will be the shoe. And you should have the designs here in the layers, in the square layers. And if you had chocolate toppings like this, yummy, and ice cream, you will put this in the top of it, and this is the tooth, and you will take it together. And if you have another, this is the sticker, and you will toppings it to the and this will be the shoe. This is our graham shake topping. Okay. Bye! Hope you have a learning into our simple cake made of graham.